Hi, I am Anna. I am telling you oxygen forms about 21% of the air around us. In your body, oxygen forms a vital role in the production of energy in most cells. So, before I am starting please subscribe my YouTube channel Raza Amaral and please press bell button. So let's starting guys and girls, here's some points. To boost blood oxygen levels, you can try the following methods. 1. Deep breathing. Take slow, deep breaths to increase oxygen intake. Inhale deeply through your nose, hold for a few seconds, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. 2. Regular exercise. Engaging in moderate aerobic exercises like walking, jogging, or cycling can improve lung capacity and increase oxygen levels in the blood. 3. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps maintain optimal blood volume and oxygenation. 4. Maintain a healthy diet. Include foods rich in iron, such as leafy green vegetables, lean meats, and legumes, as iron is needed for red blood cell production and oxygen transport. 5. Avoid smoking. Smoking damages the lungs and reduces the ability to absorb oxygen. Quitting smoking can significantly improve blood oxygen levels. 6. Improve indoor air quality. Ensure proper ventilation in your living spaces and avoid exposure to indoor air pollutants like smoke, chemicals, or allergens. 7. Use a humidifier. Adding moisture to the air with a humidifier can help prevent dryness and irritation in the respiratory system, making it easier to breathe. 8. Practice relaxation techniques. Stress and anxiety can lead to shallow breathing, reducing oxygen intake. Engaging in relaxation techniques like meditation or yoga can help promote deep breathing and increase oxygen levels. If you are experiencing persistent low blood oxygen levels or have a medical condition, it is essential to consult a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and treatment. Thanks for you are watching my channel. Please subscribe my channel Raza Amaral. I am Anna and take care yourself and also care yours nearest to your surrounding people. Thanks. Once more again, please subscribe my channel Raza Amaral. Thanks, bye. See you again, love you all.